Conductors, material that allows thermal energy to flow easily through it. Insulators, material that slows down the flow of thermal energy transfer through it. Metals are great conductors and are used as materials for cooking dishes. The particles in the metal move easily to collide with and pass along kinetic energy to neighboring particles. This allows the metal cookware to heat up quickly. Metals quickly transfer the thermal energy from the stove to the food or liquid inside. What do you think will happen if you use a metal spoon to stir your food and you accidentally leave it in there? The spoon will quickly transfer the thermal energy from the hot food to your hand. This could give you a burn. Not only do conductors heat up quickly, they also cool down quickly.
Boys, let me tell you something. 1 week ago, I was cooking my food. Then I forgot my spoon, the spoon inside the pot for 30 minutes. Then after that, when I came back, then I touched the spoon. When I touched the spoon, my hand got burned. Then I ran quickly to wash my hand with the cold water. It was very, very bad surprise for me.
Once I was 3 years, I didn't understand this was boiling water with potato. Water, I was burning so badly.
Yeah, because
Very badly.
I forgot the spoon inside the pot. Because
Yeah,
and the spoon made of aluminum, so I forgot that aluminum is a good conductor. So when I touched this spoon, my hand got burned. Yes, Jahan.
me. What happened?
I don't know.
I was like 3 years old.
The same story happened to me, Yusuf. The same thing.
When?
I didn't know. I just put my hand, like my pinky, in the bowl. Like I touched the pot with my pinky. I didn't understand what conductor anything. I touched it and I burned my hand.
No, I didn't touch.
Oh, you put it in the boiling water.
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't touch it with my pinky, with my whole fist.
You know, the water is a good conductor for heat and for electricity as well.
Yeah.
Coffee that is poured into a metal cup will cool down faster than coffee poured into a ceramic cup. The thermal energy of the coffee will quickly transfer through the metal cup to the outside air. Paper, wood, and styrofoam are good insulators and are commonly used to keep our food hot or cold and are used as cooking utensils. Ice chests use materials that are good insulators to prevent thermal energy from the outside getting in. This keeps the food inside cool. Coffee containers use materials that are good insulators to prevent the hot coffee from transferring its thermal energy and cooling down. What do you think would happen if you used a wooden spoon to stir your food and accidentally left that in there?
Okay, Abdulaziz, what do you think?
What the fuck if a wooden spoon was in the food?
Yeah, if we forgot it.
What would it happen?
Yeah, if we come back after 30 minutes, for example, and when we touch it, can we get burned when we touch the wood spoon?
It will not even exist. It will be melted.
No. After 30 minutes?
Yes.
No. There is listen, Abdulaziz. There is no melting. There is no melting for wood, only burning.
Okay. But
the thermal energy from the food would transfer through the wood spoon to your hand, but at a slower rate than the metal spoon. It will feel hot, but not as hot as the metal spoon. You're in charge of designing a new slide at the playground. You can build it out of aluminum or plastic. During your research, you notice that on hot days when temperatures reach above 40 degrees Celsius, aluminum slides reach temperatures of 32 degrees Celsius, while plastic slides reach temperatures of 34 degrees Celsius. Which slide would you build it out of? Metal is a conductor, so it will quickly transfer its thermal energy over to the person going down the slide. The person will feel most of the heat from the slide. Plastic is more of an insulator. Although it is hotter than the metal, it will not transfer its thermal energy over.
Teacher,
Yes, Faisal?
I want to say something funny. There is one time I went to our farm and I brought this box to put inside it cold water, okay? Then the name of the box was Keep Hot and inside was cool.
It's very funny.
Over as easily to the person going down the slide. The plastic will seem less hot to the person. Most playground slides these days are made out of plastic instead of the aluminum of the past. Let's wrap it up. Conductors are materials that allow thermal energy to flow easily through it.
Okay. Mu'taz, what are conductors?
Conductors is the material that allows thermal energy to flow easily through it.
Conductors is or are? Are. Conductors, they are plural here. Conductors, material that allows thermal energy to flow easily through it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Mister,
Yeah.
I have a question. The plane takes the. Oh, today I'm going to Jeddah, so I'm gonna see.
From Amman to Jeddah?
Yeah, I want to see if the plane, like, when I touch the plane and I see if it's hot or no. If it's hot, I'm dead.
Yeah.
If it's
Yeah.
hot, I'm dead, and if it's not hot, I died from cold.
So, Mu'taz, from what thing we made the body of the plane? From metals, right?
From metal.
So in a hot weather, it will be.
It would be super hot. Even it could cook food. It could cook the in 1 minute,
But
like
yeah,
a meat.
but
full meat.
you know the body of the plane is isolated. So the passengers inside the plane, they cannot leave or feel with heat outside.
Yes, I will see because I'm going. I think it would be cold because Jordan is cold.
But Jeddah is hot now.
Yeah, so I will get.
Yeah, touch it and ask me and tell me tomorrow.
Okay. I will get.
Hope you go to Jeddah in a good way. Thank you.
Insulators are materials that slow down the flow of thermal energy transfer through it.
Abdullah, what are insulators?
Yes.
What are
Yes.
insulators?
Insulators
Yeah.
are material that slows down the flow of thermal energy transfer through it.
Thanks.